So, hi guys! Kung ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo or i-inform ko kayo about sa mga bagong features and updates ni Niki Live. So, sabi nga nila, safe ang may alam. Kaya, be known or be informed and updated about Niki Live's new features and events. Hi guys! Alam mo ba na kapag VIP ka, marami kang privilege? Isa na dito guys ay sa pagla-live. So kapag nga guys magla-live ka, meron kayong 13 seats. So ibig sabihin yan guys, pwedeng 13 kayo nandyan sa iyong live. Pwede kang mag-invite ng 12 guests. And guys, kapag hindi ka kasi guys naka-VIP rather, so, ang pwede lang kasi na ma-invite mo is 8, then ikaw yung ika-9. So, 9 seats lang ang available. Pero kapag naman naka-VIP ka, 13 seats ang available. Kaya nga guys, super ganda ng privilege kapag nga naka-VIP ka. At alam mo rin ba guys, na kapag nag-solo live ka, meron dyan nakalagay na HD live, wherein HD yung iyong live kapag nagla-live ka, kapag VIP ka. Hi guys, alam mo rin ba na kapag nagla-live ka sa solo live, ay pwede ka nang mag-invite sa Niki Live. Diba noon hindi ka pwede mag-invite kapag solo live? Ngayon guys, pwede ka nang mag-invite ng 1 guest sa iyong live. Kaya nga guys, be updated sa mga new updates and features ni Niki Live. Hi guys! Alam mo ba na mayroong 3 days trial free si Niki Live for VIP? And guys, guess what? Dahil nga Pasko, ay nagbigay si Niki Live sa atin ng trial. And yung trial na yun guys, good for 3 days. And alam nyo ba guys, na maraming features ang pwede nyong matry sa 3 days trial na yon? Isa na dun guys ang nameplate, HD quality life, and priority function. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, itry nyo na rin ang VIP trial ni Niki Live good for 3 days. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, use that coupon or trial card now. Hi guys! So ano nga ba ang mga events na bago dito sa Niki Live and mga activities? So ngayon nga guys is year-end activities and events ni Niki Live. So meron siyang guys na events ni Niki Live which is yung 5 topics. So sa 5 topics na yun guys, merong Christmas wishes. Meron din guys yung second anniversary wishes and why you are coming back here in Niki. And meron din guys na kailangan mo lang mag-post sa Facebook, and kapag nga guys naka-post ka na doon, i-paste mo lang yung pinost mo na topic about sa second anniversary ni Niki Live. And alam mo rin ba guys na meron din activities si Niki Live wherein kailangan mo lang guys na mag-live. And sa pagla-live mo nga yun guys is i-video mo yan guys, and kasama mo nga yung 6 members ng inyong club na mag-greet lang guys ng happy anniversary to Niki Live. And guys, yung isang activity naman ni Niki Live about Christmas is yung Christmas wishes. So sasabihin mo lang yung wish mo kay Niki Live or yung Christmas wishes mo. And kapag nga guys na-feature ka guys, may chance kang makakuha ng beans or rewards from Niki Live. So guys, every event guys, sumasali na talaga ako. It's because dahil nga guys, mayroong rewards, and super dali lang naman kasi guys ma-feature. Kailangan mo lang naman guys ng sipag, tiyaga, and also you need to post. Yung post mo dapat guys is quality para naman guys mapansin ni Niki Live, and para rin guys for your own benefit. Kaya nga guys, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? You need to set a standard for your own self for others to see something improvements or something unique to yourself. That's why you need to be who you are. I know guys that some of you are asking kung ano nga ba yung impression ko about sa recent changes ni Niki Live. So for me guys, improvements lang naman yun guys. Yes, there's a VIP anymore. And for me, yung VIP guys, meron naman siyang free trial. So kung gusto mong i-try yung free trial, you can try it. And kapag nagustuhan mo yung trial na yun guys, pwede mo namang i-avail yung VIP na yan guys. And kapag hindi mo naman gusto or masyado ka na mamahalan, then you can cancel the trial and just focus on some activities or event where you can earn money. So for me guys, grabe na yung improvement ni Niki Live. And when it comes to event naman guys, super marami ng mga events na binibigay si Nikki Live, which is a big opportunity for us kasi nga guys, mas marami yung income or extra income na may bibigay ni Nikki Live sa inyo. For me and for you, kailangan lang talaga natin guys ng discipline, and also guys, dapat marunong kayo na magtiyaga and also patience. Just wait on your time, and dapat guys, kapag nagpo-post kayo when it comes, if there's an event, then you should post a quality videos for you to be featured ni Nikki Live. That's all guys. I hope that you have learned something. Bye! See you in my next video!